Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need root or magisk before any change. This is the only reliable route to iPhone-style emoji. Once you've backed up the system partition and enabled USB debugging, obtain a verified Apple Color emoji font file and a magisk module or emoji switch tool. Make sure your device has enough storage and a full Nandroid backup. Now copy the font and module APK to the device. Don't skip the backup. Replacing system emoji touches critical system files, and recovery must be ready. Open Magisk Manager and install the emoji module zip you prepared. This method modifies the virtual /b or /system overlay safely. If using an emoji switcher app, grant root and select the Apple font. The app replaces Noto color emoji. TTF in /system/fonts or via overlay. Once done, reboot the device to activate the new emoji assets. After reboot, check Messages, WhatsApp, and the keyboard preview to confirm the iPhone emoji render correctly and consistently across apps. Final steps: verify every major app displays the new glyphs. Test sending to another phone. If you see blank boxes or incorrect colors, immediately restore your backed up system font or remove the Magisk module, then reboot. Also clear app caches or reinstall affected keyboards. Make sure to reapply the module after Android system updates, since updates can overwrite font files. If problems persist, restore the full Nandroid backup and retry with a different verified font/module to avoid corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.